especially kung sineseryoso nyo po ang New Year's resolution. Hindi po yan basta naisip nyo lang at nakigaya kayo. Hopefully, hindi po ganun ang inyong New Year's resolution. Ano? Kasi kung kayo ay nakitrending lang kung ano yung nakikita nung New Year's resolution sa SOCMED, ako na po ang magsasabi sa inyo. Kung nakigaya lang kayo, nakitrending lang kayo, most likely, you will not be able to really complete your journey and accomplish the goals of your New Year's resolution. Kasi wala po sa puso eh. Kasi it's very important that I remind you, practicalers and kaabante, when we start something, a project for ourselves, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, ang importante dyan is kung may pinaghuhugutan ka ba, ba't mo ginagawa ang isang bagay? Kasi kung malalim ang hugot mo sa isang bagay, most likely, malaki ang chances that you'll be able to pursue it. Because yung motivation mo malakas, no? And kanina napag-usapan na natin yung motivation. But kaya it's very important that we go to the foundation. Bakit mo ginawa siyang New Year's resolution? So, we have to take seriously the things that we have to improve on in our lives. And New Year's resolution is just one part for us to improve our life, no? Maliit na activity lang po to, pero kung bibigyan natin ng halaga at importansya ang pagkakaroon ng New Year's resolution, malaki po ang magiging impact nito towards our journey to self-improvement.